Realme 12 Pro Plus. On the box we have periscope EOS camera, EMX 890, that's a pretty good camera, Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 5G chipset, and 120Hz curved screen. Satisfaction. Double satisfaction. Make it real. Wow. Triple satisfaction. Oh. Wow. This is looking amazing in blue and gold. What else do we have? And we do have 67-watt charger, USB type A, and a cable, USB type A to C. Are we going to have a case? That is the question. We do have a case. We do have a case, my friend, and SIM card tool. Wow. A lot of papers. Wow. Nice. So basically you have it all. You don't need to buy anything else. Winning for the Realme. 4 cameras. On the right, we do have power button, volume buttons. Looks like a microphone, another microphone, so 4 of them. On the left, there's nothing, and at the bottom, we do have a SIM card tray, a microphone, USB Type-C, and a speaker. It feels very nice in the hand. Oh, it's not slippery at all. It's fantastic for grip. You really don't need a case. You don't. But, of course, for protection, let's put that case on. Oh, it's even better. Is it going to protect your screen and the camera? It will protect the camera all around and the screen at the bottom and at the top. Corners a little bit, well, a little bit more, but sides are not protected. But yeah, you will lose that beautiful experience. 50% is gone. Immediately we're gonna install the update for the camera, photos, and all kinds of system features. We have beautiful screen, fingerprint. Well, it's not like I expected. Ooh. This is a medium range smartphone, but 120 Hz screen could give you a fantastic smoothness. It is smooth. Recording with 60 frames per second, you can see that smooth experience. Now, if we go to settings and hit mobile network, then we can find Wi-Fi calling, 5G network, and VoLTE. Also, connectivity and sharing, VPN is available, NFC, private DNS, Android Auto. About the device, like you can see, we have a Snapdragon 7S Gen 2, 5000 mAh battery, 12 GB of RAM, which you can extend all the way to another 12 if you wanted to, and the camera. I've seen articles on the internet that the camera is like in a flagship device. Night mode, or very wide angle. Street mode, zoom. Oh well. Auto and manual focus. Video, only 4K 30, so definitely not again a flagship. Come on, come on. Then wide angle, only Full HD. So if you want to go wide, only Full HD, and only 30, not even 60. That is disappointing. Alright. Front-facing camera. Have autofocus? No, there's no autofocus in front-facing camera. There's no 4K. There's no even 60 frames per second. Only Full HD 30. Also disappointing. So that is not a flagship experience. Photo. Alrighty then. Go to the main menu, interval. A lot of telephoto. It has a periscope zoom, at least. No, this is electronic zoom. This is not a periscope zoom. So, no. Portrait mode. And more. We have group portrait, dual video. Let's hit that dual video. Okay. What else do we have? High resolution Pro. Let me show you some samples, and there'll be a couple of samples in the description of this video to download from the cloud. Wide-angle lens in Full HD 30, that's the maximum for the wide angle. You can zoom, you can switch lenses during the recording, all the way to 18K, which is a little bit of macro for you. A tiny bit. Switching to 4K from the main lens to a telephoto, you can also switch lenses during the recording. Or do you? No, you don't. This is a electronic zoom, so you cannot switch lenses in 4K. Only one lens for the 4K video recording. Full HD 30 without autofocus and front-facing camera, not impressive. You can zoom if you want, just a tiny bit. First impression, it's a beautiful smartphone with a gorgeous screen. Wow, what a screen. Now, the cameras are not a flagship experience, but everything else feels flagship. It's very smooth, it's even smoother than some flagships. This is just the first impression. After a couple of days I'll make a full review, because I have to use it for a while. That's all I have. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye. It's really nice.